News at 6.
Good evening, I'm Michael Rinker. Tonight, it's a battle to go to trial. An Elba man has been begging for something to be done about his flooding-prone community, but he claims that a food service distributor that he worked for is trying to pay for his silence, and now he's suing that company, but there's a growing conflict over where the trial should take place. WDHN's Robert Smith has the story you'll only see on WDHN.
After 1 month of a hush money case being in litigation involving Austin's client Timothy Williams and a large state employer, B&E Keith, Austin says attorneys representing the company filed a notice of removal 3 weeks ago. He says this will allow the case to move from a state court and out of Coffee County to a federal court in Montgomery.
I believe that my client has a very strong case, whether we're in federal or state court, and I believe that my client will have his day in court and should have his day in court to prove those allegations.
This comes after Williams and his attorney filed a complaint last month against B&E Keith in New Brockton, claiming they abruptly ended his cleaning contract after working for them for 3 years, just 1 week after he refused and returned $300,000 that was wired into his account in efforts to silence him for advocating for his historically black community right down the road that's been flooding for 6 years, blaming the state. Austin says they have elements of evidence that speaks to the termination of the contract not being a business decision.
It paints a different picture. And that picture that it paints, and I think a reasonable person's mind is that, well, there's more to it than them just not wanting him to work for them anymore. Because why would they give him $300,000 and then fire him when he gave them money back? Why would they do that? And so those are questions that I think need to be posed to a jury.
However, he believes the venue of where the case is tried plays a factor in a juror making a decision.
The venue that I think is proper and would be the best would be for to be heard in front of a jury in Coffee County, simply because the citizens of that county would have a better understanding of what's going on in that county with the flooding and with all these other nuanced issues that citizens from other counties may not understand or appreciate or even care about.
Austin says a trial for this case could take months or possibly years. Reporting, Robert Smith, WDHN News for the Wiregrass.
Tonight, police are looking for a person they